Did he go to madrasa? Yes, he went to madrasa. Did Rashid sat in front of the teacher? Yes, he sat in front of the teacher. What did Rashid do in the madrasa? He read and wrote. Did he poly there? No, he read and wrote. Where did Rashid play? Did he play on the road? No, they played in the playground in the village. With what did Rashid play? He played with a new ball. And he played with Khaled. From where Rashid's sister go out and to where did she go? She went out from her room and went to madrasa. Where did Rashid's sister sit? Did she sit in front of the teacher? Yes, she sit in front of the teacher. What did Rashid's sister do in the madrasa? She read and wrote.
Saad went to madrasa. And Shardbother did not go. Soward did not go out from her room. And did not play in the garden, but read and wrote. Soward did no go to her bed before Isha, but went after Isha. Hello businessman, you did not go out from your house today and did not go to your shop. Bello returned from the market of village and did not return his brother. Jainab's sister did not sit under the fan but her mother Saturday. I did not read and wrote today, but went to Mahmud and played with him. I went to the mosque after the call to prayer. I did not go out from the mosque before prayer, but went out after prayer.
Rashid went out of his house and went to madrasa. Rashid read and wrote in the madrasa. Then he returned to the house and played in the playground in the village. Rashid played with Khaled with new ball. Rashid's sister went out from her room and go to the madrasa and sat in front of the teacher. Rashid's sister read and wrote in the madrasa. Then she returned to the house and played in Aisha garden. Who did go out from the house? Rashid went out. Did Belal go out? No, but Rashid go out. Did Belal go out or Rashid? Rashid. From where did Rashid go out and to where did he? He went go out from his home and went to madrasa. Did he go to market? No, but he went go to madrasa.
Did Sohid brother go to the madrasa? No, he did not go to the madrasa. Did Soward go out from her room and play in the garden? No, he did not go out from her room and not play in the garden. What did Soward do? She read and wrote in her room. When did Soward go to her bed? She went after Isha. Did the businessman go out from his house today and did not go to his shop? No, he did not go out from his house and did not go to his shop. Did Bello return from the village market? Yes, he returned. Did his brother returned? No, didn't he returned. Who did sit on the chair? The teacher sit on the chair.